Often you'll find you need to insert a single page in Excel into a Word document. So for example, a budget or some sort of numerical data. But the challenge is your Word documents are generally portrait, so the short side going across and the long side going down, and often your Excel spreadsheets are the opposite way, so they're landscape. So we've got a piece of information in Excel that we're going to insert into Word, but we want to insert it in landscape mode. So here's how we do this. First of all, we're going to go to Word, and we know this is where we want to put our document. So at the moment, we're right near the end of a page, and we want to insert a page break so that the Excel data goes on another worksheet, but we want that worksheet to be landscape. So to do that, we need to insert a section break. So we go to the Layout tab, and from Layout we choose Breaks. And from here we're going to choose Next Page under Section Breaks. And what this does is it splits our page up. Now because I've got the Show Hide switched on, you can see that it's showing as a section break. I'm going to choose Orientation, and I'm going to change it to Landscape. Now at this point you'll be able to see that this page here is portrait and this one's landscape, which is exactly what we want. What we're going to do now is go to our Excel file, and we're going to select the data that we want to insert. And I'm simply going to copy it using any technique you know, and we're going to go back to the document. Make sure we're in the bottom section or the second page, and I'm going to right click and choose the first paste option, keeping the source formatting so that the layout and everything looks the same in Excel as it did in Excel. It's now inserted my data, and you can see that it's quite appropriate that it be in landscape mode given the nature of the data. Now at the end of that page, what I want to do is put in another page break so that I can go back to my Word report. And I want the next page to be portrait again. So to do this I need to insert another page break, and it's a section break, and I want it to start on the next page. And from here you'll notice that this is landscape, so I need to click Orientation, and I need to change it to Portrait. So now you'll see if you scroll the screen, if I scroll the screen up, my first page is Portrait, my second page is Landscape, and my third page is Portrait. So that's how you insert an Excel worksheet that is in landscape mode into a Word document in Word 2016.